Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Again guys, we're gonna make a mac and cheese, but according to what I make, it didn't go according to plan, but so it still turned out good, but didn't go according to plan. But you watch until the end, you could learn some or two, yeah. So you would start by like grabbing your two pot and put them in the stove, and grab the other one, fill it with water and put it in the other side, and then open the stove for the water to heat, and then put the pan on the other side, and then start cutting your meat. Actually, what I'm using today, I'm using a chicken breast. So what you're gonna do, you're gonna take it and wash it. After removing it from there, you're gonna wash it very nicely, and then you're gonna take it and cut it later. So what I'm using today is a fresh one, all the way from like superstore. Guys, I just came and just think, oh my god, what do I make today? I'm gonna make something like mac and cheese. And you guys know I'm South Sudanese though, so it's kind of hard for me, but I'm learning too, because I just love to try different kind of food and culture. So amazing and nice. So like, you're new to this channel and you've been watching me for a while, please do consider watching this video until the end and share how you make yours, share your opinion too, and let me know how I did. And like, it's my like first time doing it, and it didn't turn out good, but I'm trying, I'm improving, and it's gonna be good the next time. So always like the always time, first time for everything as we do. So what I did, I just come and cut it at home because I didn't bring it cut. Just come and wash it very nicely. Wash it with salt. Maybe like you have vinegar, you can wash it with vinegar, and then start cutting it to like small pieces. But you can cut it medium piece. And when you're done cutting it very nicely, and like in the meantime, the other side, again, heat up your pan and then put oil inside. Then so grab it at your cut. You grab and then put it inside. Whatever you cut, you put it inside like that, and then make it cook nicely. Because I could have cut first and then start cooking, but I decided to do that because it feels to me like it's much easier to save time, because sometimes time is not in our side, so you have to do what you can with the time you have. So like, you're a working mom, this is good for you, like cut and then as well you do it. So and then the heat shouldn't be high, it should be at least medium for the pan not to get burned, because it won't good. So far it's good, and that's what I've been doing. Been cutting is cut, and then when done cutting, I'm gonna like fry it. Actually, I'm gonna stir fry. Stir fry means that I'm going to grill it in the stove, not in the oven. Not in the oven. Oven, yeah, sure. Yeah, and then cut it, take my time to cut it nicely and amazing, because watch out in your hand, because you don't want to cut yourself. Just need to be careful how you do it and how you snipe too. So far it's been almost cut, so I remain only just one left. And when you're done cutting that one, we're gonna be having the entire breast chicken cut 6 pieces. Actually, it's gonna be 5 pieces. It depends how many you find in the one package. Yeah, that's what we're doing. So the sun, like today was so hot, even like cooking at home is too hot too. Outside nowadays the sun is too hot, and in summer it's difficult to like cook during the day. Better you cook in the evening when it's much warm, when it's much like cool down. And so far that's what I did, and then I cleaned the way I cut the chicken on it, and then I will bring something to stir the chicken breast to mix it well enough, and then I want them to like fry until like golden brown later on. Now it's like turning white, but you can keep stirring it and give it time to cook, and you can add the heat by now. This is the time to add heat, and let your heat be more higher. At this point you can put it maximum, or maybe you can put it medium at this point, whatever you choose. And the meantime, I was making macaroni that time there that I'm doing. I washed it nicely, and then the water was boiled, and then so what I did, I just wash it and put it inside, and I will let it boil on the other side, and then to season your chicken with seasoning your chicken meat, especially chicken breast, seasoning with the chicken powder. And you can use some salt. If you do have one, you can use it. And you can pour a little bit, but not too much. And then when you do that, you're going to mix it really nicely. And then you're going to let it stir fry, because that's what we're doing. Yeah, so far it's been good, and it's getting so amazing. Yeah. So you like come to this point. Thank you so much for watching so far. You are my subscriber. I really appreciate you for being here. You are a new subscriber. Welcome to the family and join us. We do have a community tab up on there. You can post as long as something respecting the community guideline. That was nice. So far, we're doing good. And you are my new viewer. Thank you for choosing to view this particular channel. I really appreciate you for that. We do cooking here. That we do. We bring recipe to life. We cook all the way across anywhere. Any food we see nice, we make it here. It's cooking lifestyle, so it's really good and amazing. We just make like homemade meal. That we do. Like you're running out of time, you just cook for a week or weekend, and then you enjoy yourself. It was Canada Day yesterday, and it was really good. So we're home, and then I decided to make something for us to have at home because it was holiday, and it's really amazing. I really love that one. Yeah, so keep checking your pasta because you don't want it to. Keep checking your pasta because you don't want it to like burn, because sometimes it's like dust burn and that is not good. And keep stirring your chicken too because you want it to fry evenly. You want them to grill evenly actually. So that's what you're gonna do. You're gonna be keep flipping them and flipping them to check if they are cooking nicely or not. Because if they like burn and the others are not, it's not gonna be looking good. So you want to make sure like you're keeping them in the right track, and you keep checking your heat too. You don't want the heat to be above everything. You want them to be like max, and keep checking your pasta. Like I say, it can get bad when it's burned. Last time I did make something else like that, so I have to be careful when like making it. So far I did remove it and put it in something to drain the water, and then I run cold water on them to make them stop cooking, because when you remove them in the store, they can still cook, no matter they outside or not, because of the heat they still have on. But if you rinse them with cold water, they're going to release the heat and it's going to stop cooking. So far, the chicken has been nice and amazing. So what we're going to do now, we're going to stop cooking them and put it aside. And then we're going to start frying our onion. Like I say, I didn't even cut my onion, just cutting them right there as the pan start heating, the stove. Yeah, the pot start heating, and then I start cutting the onion. At the same time, I will be grabbing the oil on the other side and put it inside. So like you can go with a one large onion, and you can go with a medium like I'm doing. It doesn't have to be that much. The onion is optional. It doesn't have to be that really much. So if you are preparing like what I'm doing, but you're preparing it in a Canadian way or American way, yeah, I don't think you really need that onion. That's the case. But you want to prepare it in the way what I'm doing like that, you will be needing that medium onion, and then cut that on later on for dressing, because you want to look pretty when it's done cooking. I love it nowadays. Just make the food look so amazing and good. So, and keep stirring the onion. Don't let them burn on the side, because sometimes it can burn. So what you do so far, you're gonna start doing that one. Yeah, and then get on cut the rest of the spring onion. Actually, so when you're done cutting them too, make sure you grab your chicken and pour it inside the onion and just try to fry them a bit together. Then you're gonna remove it later. So far it's good. Yeah. And I just want to thank you guys. We managed to hit 2,876 subscribers. It's all thanks to you guys. I really appreciate you. We just only looking for 4,000 watch hours. We can get it. We can get monetized, and that will be really cool and amazing. And then you guys, I will share the journey took me and how long with you guys, and maybe I can share some tips with you. So, but for now, let's stick to cooking. So what I'm doing, I'm gonna be cutting that cheese over there. I'm gonna grate it because I did not buy it grated. You know the smart move about this. When you bought the cheese grated, it's much like less, but when you grate at home, it's a lot more, because when you like make it, it's become more proper than once you buy cut already, and it's more nice and more fresh too, because you just grate it right there and start using it. It's really good. Yeah, there's the chicken going inside there. Guys, I'm doing so many in one, so just keep track of what I'm doing. Yeah, so far it's good. So I just put the chicken inside, the chicken breast inside the what we just grilled together. Then I'm gonna mix them for a bit, and then I'm gonna remove it and put it on the other side too, because I'm gonna use the same pot to cook the pasta, so don't miss out. you watched so far till now. Thank you so much for choosing to watch, and I really appreciate you. Your time wasn't wasted. You learned something. Yeah, now I'm coming back to remove the chicken. Now just get it off the chicken. Let's remove it. Put it in the other side. We don't want to take long. Just go quick. So far that's what we've been doing. And you guys know, like now it's holiday. The kids are home and it's really good. Yeah, that is our pasta. We're gonna just mix it nicely and let it warm a bit. Then grab your milk, put inside the milk. When you're done putting the milk, let it cook. Let them cook for a bit. Let the pasta absorb a little bit of milk. So what you need to do first when you cook it, you don't need to cook it 100% because it will be soggy and it will not be good. So you need to put it in the minimum way that you can even cut. When you like put it in your teeth, you can feel it. Yeah. So far you're gonna take your cheese, pour on top of it, cover it, and then open it to check. Like me, I'm a careless person. I don't give things time. I just have to do it. So far, start trying to mix it. It doesn't bite like mine. Don't worry. Just go ahead and do what you need to do. So far, I mixed it to where I think is right, and then I decided to put the chicken on top of it, and mix a bit, and put the dresser. And there we go, the chicken is ready. And guys, let me tell you, it was so good and amazing because I took some to work and I have it I have it here and it was so good. And my kid love it too. Thank you for watching. Bye. Have a good day.